What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing part 2 of the Traxxas Stampede that I bought at auction that was wrecked previously, and I'm about to show you what I have to do to get it back on the road again. So let's get started, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of noprosrc. Okay guys, welcome back. So I have my tool here, and what I'm about to do is take off the tire to get to the part that is needed. Half the part is broken on the tie rod, and then the other part is broken on what they call the steering block. And I went to the A-Main website and they have it for $3 plus a flat rate shipping of $2.99. I need the left one. It comes with the right and left one, so I ordered this about a couple days ago, and I'm waiting for it to come in. And as you can see on the screen, this is the part that's needed, and I believe I can take the parts from my old one and just transfer it to this new one, I'm assuming, but we shall find out. When I began taking this apart, I tried looking at the Stampede front assembly, but that wasn't very much help to me identifying the part, which is this piece right here that snapped off of the steering hub. Knuckle is a couple different names for it, but essentially the steering hub knuckle is what I needed. But what really got me over the hump was my AI, believe it or not. If you go to my Instagram channel, I have an AI called Soul Controller, and I asked them the question. It pointed me in the right direction, although the number was wrong as far as the part number, but it got me in the right direction, and I really appreciated that. So if you need some assistance when it comes to RCs, you can go ahead and head over to my Instagram channel, give me a follow while you're there, and check out the Soul Controller robot app and see if it can help you with your RC projects. Okay, so right here is the screw that we need to get that broken piece off of the tie rod. Okay, we've actually reached the point to the video where we have to get the actual steering block disconnected, and that's what Mickey is pointing his finger at right now. There is one screw that I have to disconnect from there, and that brings that out, and once I get that disconnected, I will show you what that actually looks like. Alright, so as you can see on the screen, this is the culprit. This is the piece that broke when the previous owner probably did some bashing. I know they did some serious bashing because I can tell from the serious scrape marks underneath the chassis, and the stock parts didn't hold up. Now, I could go ahead and upgrade all the parts as far as the shock springs and all the steering components, but it's a little expensive right now. It's like $65 on Amazon to replace all of that, which is a lot more sturdier for bashing, but I'm going the cheap route for right now, just to get it up and running and make sure everything else is okay. Do a little bashing with it, and if something else as far as the suspension or steering is concerned fails, then we'll go ahead and do the proper upgrades for some serious bashing. Okay, so what I didn't tell you guys is that before I ordered the parts off of A-Main Hobbies, I did attempt to repair that piece. I tried to repair it and everything was going great. I used super glue, and what had happened was once I started tightening the screws, it broke in the same spot that I super glued. So I tried to go the cheap way out and it didn't work. So I was hoping that was going to work, and I would share a video with you guys about how I easily repaired this part without having to spend any money. And yeah, that was a total failure. So that's why we had to order the new piece, and it is what it is. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of our community. Like this video if you liked it, and also leave a comment if you have a repair story or repair horror story that you would like to share with the community. And don't forget to hit that notification button. When we drop new videos, you will be notified immediately. Alright, so as soon as we get the parts, should come in sometime this week. I will do a video, that would be part 3 of this video series on repairing this auction bought Traxxas Stampede. Hopefully we get that part in and it doesn't break. We get the Traxxas back up and running and do some minor bashing for now, and then just go all out one day and just hopefully everything holds up. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, we'll just have to upgrade. Alright, so with that being said, I'm not going to hold you guys. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time watching us, and until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.